Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. I saw this adorable little basket at Goodwill the other day and knew it would look great on my tier tray. And the best part was, it was less than $1. It was a little dirty, so I used a Dollar Tree kitchen sponge and cleaned it. I think all that it was old floral foam. I used white chalk paint and the dry brush method to give the basket more of a modern look. I wanted some eggs for the basket. I had these little glitter covered eggs in my stash, and they were the perfect size, but I didn't like the bright colors. So I mixed a tan craft paint and white chalk paint to paint them. I placed the eggs on skewers so I could paint them, and then placed them in a styrofoam block to let them dry. Once the eggs were dry, I took them off the skewers and put them in a box I always use for painting and drying. I used brown craft paint and a stencil brush to flick the paint onto the eggs, giving them a speckled look. This is messy and you will want to be careful when flicking the paint. I was afraid of getting paint all over the wall behind my work table. So I made sure I kept the brush pointed down. Now to decorate the little basket. I used some Dollar Tree Easter grass and placed it in the bottom of the basket. I cut the grass down so it would fit better. I used this adorable cow-shaped table vacuum to clean my table. I found this cute little thing on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. I placed the dried eggs in the basket and arranged them. I decided I wanted to add a cute little bow to the handle of the basket. And as y'all know, I am not good at bows. So for me, this was the hardest part of this project. After many attempts, I finally had the bow made and hot glued it to the top of the handle. And trust me, you don't want to see how long it took me to figure the bow out. And look at how cute the little basket turned out. Okay, so I just could not resist letting y'all watch me try to make this bow. I think y'all will get a good laugh out of it. As you can see, I tried doing it about 4 times before I finally got it. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!